Are you cross-linking in your blogs? That is the Blogspiration card we are picking out from the Blogspiration deck today to make sure that you are making the most out of the blog posts that you create. And that is all about cross-linking. So here we go. Are you cross-linking? So when you're creating your blogs and you're writing out your content, and if you're following the blog workflow that we have in the AI Async and Automation Hub, or that we've got in some of the blogging courses that we run here at Reed-Enever Group, then you will notice that we talk about shoot off topics in that master document so that we can cross-link, or topics that we might already have within our blog. Now what cross-linking does is it keeps someone on your site longer. And it means that, you know, from one blog to another, if they're able to continue that journey and to continue to engage. So maybe they're not ready at the end of the first blog to take that opt-in or freebie or that next step, but maybe they read another blog. And for those people who love to be readers or video watchers, being able to cross-link across your content creates not only SEO value for you, but it creates more time on site. And that, you know, tells the algorithm that you're producing valuable content, which is what we all want to do on our website. So if you're not cross-linking and it's something you haven't done before, the first thing I want you to do is go and have a look at your website and go and have a look at the blogs that you've got out there. What can be linked across to each other? What articles relate? Do you have a related articles little drop down or plug in down the bottom of your website that would actually suggest other related articles? Or are you using your sidebar to do that? Because they're two quick and easy ways to cross-link. But if you've got articles that cross-relate, look at the keywords and phrases that move off to that content and cross-link across from there. It's a bit similar when you do YouTube videos and you've got cards and the opportunity to cross-link off to other videos that happen inside that space as well. Cross-linking on your blog is really valuable. So spend a little bit of time going, which posts can I cross-link, and start to maybe add them to your project manager. In our case, we use ClickUp, but you can use whatever project manager you like. Start adding the tasks that maybe I need to cross-link. And as you start writing your blogs, start making sure that you've got those shoot-off topics. And when you write those shoot-off topics, remember to come back to the original post and cross-link them along the way. Now, cross-linking isn't just limited to our blog or to our website. We can also cross-link back to our website from articles and guest posting and contributions. When you're guest posting out there and you're writing an article or you're writing a contribution point, and we want people to come back to our website, which is the aim, we want them to find us and connect with us, we need to cross-link to relevant articles and relevant pieces that we've already got written on our website. Do not cross-link to promotional stuff, because that'll get you kicked out pretty quickly. You want to make sure that you're cross-linking to references and key points on the website that support that article. So for example, when people contribute to business, they're invited to cross-link to 3 articles on their website or the existing business website, which increases the credibility for their article, and, you know, it gives them some SEO juice on their own website. So today, from the Blogspiration deck, what we want you to do is get out there and look at, are you cross-linking? Are you making the most of your content you've got by linking it off to other content and making sure that people can find more of the good stuff you create?